Hi everyone, this is Kenzie with OpenWater. Today I want to show you how you can use our Integrations Hub to help your applicants fill out their submission from an external list of data. In this video, I'll show you a lookup field using Google Sheets, but the same thing is possible with a CSV. So when would you use this? If your HR, for example, doesn't allow you to connect OpenWater directly to your database or your member management programs, they may instead provide you with a sheet of information. So in this case, we have a Google Sheet here, which includes the first name, last name, email, and member ID of staff members. So now we want to be able to quickly pull that data into OpenWater. So I've created an example program where we can see that in action. So now we're in our OpenWater Awards program, and this is just a simple nomination program. All of our data is filled in here from our account. And then on the nominee information here, we just have a search bar at the top where you can start typing in a name. You can see a name pops up there. If you type in something a little bit more generic, you might have multiple matches to that. Once you found the name you're looking for, just click on that and it will fill in all of the information. This will save you time, especially for the email and the member ID, or if you have other complex information that might not be known readily for the nominator. And we can finish out our program here, and that's all you need to go. Now you have the member ID and the correct email based on their information in your system, all without having to connect your actual database. If you'd like to learn more about this, head to learn.openwater.com or feel free to read through our help article on setting up your lookup with a Google Sheet or CSV. Thank you.